Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc Raiders and you keep getting this error, a hardware error was detected, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders easily. So this error occurs when you have any overclocked components on your computer, so just make sure that you don't have any overclocks running on your computer because the game is pretty glitchy and it does not fare well with overclocks. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop for AMD and then you're going to go into AMD software. You're going to go into performance here, and then you're going to go into tuning, and here you need to make sure automatic tuning is set to default, so don't have any overclocks running on your card or your CPU. After that, I'll show you now how to do it on an Nvidia card. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop, go into Nvidia control panel, and then you're going to go into help, and then you're going to make sure that you click on debug mode. So just have debug mode turned on your Nvidia card. And after that, if you have any overlay softwares like MSI Afterburner, RTSS, or Discord turned on, just close those softwares when you're trying to play Arc Raiders. And there you go guys, that should fix your issue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.